Amazing craft artists and coloring book lovers and artists and fashion artists and craft artists and fashionistas. I got them all in there. I hope you guys are having a great day. I am so excited to do this video because my name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a what craft artist, and I'm so excited because I found this amazing coloring book at Walmart. My mom actually bought this book. I saw it first a couple weeks ago. When I first saw it, I said, oh my goodness, this book is so cute. The illustrations, the art, I love it. And I know you guys are going to love this book because I know you love a really good coloring book. You love coloring and drawing and creating things. And I thought to myself, my craft artist, my loyal craft artist will love this book. And this is the title, The Fashion Coloring and Drawing Book. Look how cute this book looks. Look at the title. Look at the colors. Look at those colors right there. They just pop, right? I love the cover. This cover drew me in. And I just thought to myself, I got to get this book. And it's only $5 at Walmart. So go to Walmart right now, run there and get it. I hope it's still there, and I hope you have fun watching this video. Thanks so much. Thank you so much to my amazing craft artists for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed this review of this amazing color book that I found my mom bought at Walmart for $5. I hope you enjoy all the artwork, and I can't wait to make my own coloring book and color pages for you guys. I'm working on some amazing videos, and I keep saying that, but this time I'm actually working on some really good videos, and I'm actually working on better thumbnails. So have you noticed the thumbnails have gotten better? If you have, comment down below, click it, say thank you for my better thumbnails, and I'm going to be doing some of my better videos. So calling all craft artists, thank you so much for watching this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for the loyal craft artists throughout the years. Let's get started on this review. Craft artists, this is another video for you guys. I just got done doing this haul about this amazing right here fashion coloring and drawing book, but this video is a sketch artist Fridays video. I'm so excited for this video. I cannot wait to go and look at every page in this book, and I hope you're excited. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, tell your friends about I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist, and I do more than just crafting, scrapbooking. I do art, I do drawings, and I love a really good coloring book. This coloring book is so amazing, right? It drew me in. The colors on the page. Look at the page. Look at her eyes. Look at her mouth. Look how beautiful this page is. I love this. Whoever drew this, thank you so much for drawing this. I had so much fun. So let's open up this book. Let's start exploring coloring books. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you have fun watching this video. I hope you go into Walmart and buy you this fashion and coloring and drawing book. This is such a cute book for any age. I love coloring, you guys. I'm obsessed with coloring. I love using color pencils. My favorite thing is color pencils, but I do love markers now. I'm trying to learn how to do markers a little bit better. I do love watercolor. This is a watercolor painting. You can tell the colors pop, and just want you to come in and look at this cover. I thought when I saw this book at Walmart for $5, I thought it was a little pricey for a coloring book. Then I said, I went to the bookstore, Barnes and Noble, and their coloring books are like $12, $15, $20, and they were not as good as this one. This is a beautiful way to get you excited about coloring and drawing. So let's open up the first page, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and tell your friends about my channel. I'm so excited to do this video, and let's start exploring this coloring book. Open up the very first cover. This is what it looks like right here. It's instructions. Color outside the lines, express your own ideas, use your imagination, work your magic. That's what it looks like. And if you want to use this little code here for any reason, there that is. And let's start looking at the coloring book. Look how cute her face looks, you guys. Every drawing in this book I absolutely love. I love the artwork. So cute, so wonderful. It was drawn or sketched very well. I can't wait to color some of this stuff in for our Sketch Artist Friday video. I love it. And then right here, this is another one. I love the face. Look at her attitude. I love the dress as well. And I love this drawing. I drew a face like this a long time ago, but not this good though. I love the eyes. Eyes are just, the eyes and the lips are the best on this drawing, but I love how it looks. I cannot wait to learn how to draw like this. This gives me inspiration to learn how to draw better. And color too. Look at the necklace right there. It's so pretty, right? And then the next page is all about necklaces. Comment down below if you like jewelry, you like buying jewelry or making jewelry. Because I'm going to be making my own jewelry. I cannot wait because I'm a crafter. I'm a craft artist. I do crafting and art. So let's move on to the next page. Look at her face, you guys. I love her eyes. I love her lips. I love her hair. So cute. I love the dress. This is something I would wear in real life. I love wearing dresses back in the day. So I love this so much. Let's move on. This is my ultimate favorite one. At first, I didn't like it at first. I thought it was a little weird and creepy because the eyes are gone. But then I bought a stamp kind of like this, a stamp from Amazon. And it's so pretty, so cool. And I said, oh, I love this drawing. I love the way the hair is. I love how simple this looks and how hard it looks at the same time. I love how it's done. It's so weird but creepy but cool at the same time. And I love that necklace right there. So cool. And I want to draw something like this myself. So yay for cool art. And they do a fashion and survey. So like a fun fashion survey. So cool. And the first question is, what your favorite color is? What is your favorite color to wear? So I say red because red's my favorite color of all time. So every shade of red. My favorite shade of red is Fire Angel Red and Cherry Red. So I love it. I love all the questions on here. That's really cool to get you excited. And then look at this artwork right here. Look at this dress. The gown is beautiful. And look at her face. I love where the hair is done. And every girl in this drawing, I love the hairstyle. I love the eyes. I love how serious she looks. And I love dresses. Love it. I miss wearing dresses, you guys. And then you have tennis shoes that you can color and design yourself. At the top it says that, fairy tales are proof that your pair of shoes can change your life, which is true. I love that so much. Look at this drawing. She's like a businesswoman. She's like a girl boss. Low key, high fashion. That's me. That's me all together. This drawing is me. I love her belt. Look at that rose. That rose is bomb, girls. Ladies, I love it. Look at the eyes and her facial expression. I love how her hair's done. And then her again with her sassy attitude. I love that face. Look at the face, you guys. I love how it looks. I love her outfit. And I love her hairstyle. It's so cute. Something I would wear. And I love this dress. Like a party dress or a cocktail dress. Ooh, look at her. I love this drawing so much. I love the lips and eyes the most, but I love how she's looking right at you with her piercing eyes, and she looks wonderful. I love it. I can't wait to color this in. And then let's move on to her. Look at her attitude. Her sassy hair blowing in the air. Perfect. Look at this. I love the dress. Something I would wear back in the day. I used to love wearing dresses. I used to go to the store called Deb. Had the beautiful dresses, the beautiful prom dresses. So beautiful. Then let's breaking news. It's a canvas that you can draw on. And these are dresses that actually not dresses. I love drawing dresses on these kind of things. So here it says, rule the runway. These girls are hard to draw. I draw something like this before. It was so hard to draw. And we're on to handbags. Who likes handbags? I know I do. Pick which handbag you like the most. I like this one the most. And I like this one the most. But they're all great. I love how they're drawn. Let's move on. Ooh, accessories. Look how beautiful this looks, you guys. I love it. Bling check. I'll bling check. I love it. So much fun. Oh, this is going to be fun to color. I cannot wait. And then we have another, my favorite things to wear. What's your favorite things to wear? Back in the day, my favorite things to wear was a beautiful dress, beautiful skirt, beautiful shoes. And I love wearing a cute like shirt and top. I used to be so stylish and cute. I wish I gotta go back to the cute sassy Danny I used to be. That's why I got this book, because I was like, this reminds me of me so much. And look at her attitude. I love the face. Look at, I am that girl. I'm that girl. Stop trying to be sassy now. I love the attitude. She's like a businesswoman again. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all what to do. I'm the boss here. Look at her. And then, ooh, a handbag. You can color your own handbag or draw it in. So, comment down below. Do you guys say handbag or purses? I say both. Snobby people, people that are rich or snobby or bougie. they say handbags. I say purse and handbag, but I like saying purse better. Handbag seems so, I don't know. I just don't like saying it. Ooh, dress forms. I love this. You can decorate your own dress. I love this. I see these at Hobby Lobby. I was going to buy one of these at one time and make my own dresses. I love this. I've told you before, I'm obsessed with dresses. I still love fairy tale dresses because Deb had them. Beautiful dresses. I used to buy one every year when I went out of town for this thing I went to. Beautiful dresses I used to buy. So, yay. I'll have to color this in or draw something. Ooh, this is me in cartoon form. Look at her. She's so cute. Look at that face, you guys. She's like, get out of my face, girls. I am all that. I love this. Look at her face. I love her hair. Those eyes. I cannot draw eyes to save my life. It's so hard to draw eyes and lips. And look at her outfit. This is like definitely a boss girl, craft boss. She's like, she ain't playing. Like, I'm sassy. I got attitude. I love it. This one got an attitude too. Look at her face. Like, I'm running things. Come to my party, y'all. I love the outfit right here. So cute. Look at the dress. This is a good book for fashion designers and a good book for people like me who learn how to draw. I cannot draw a dress or anything to save my life, but look at this dress. This is my Oscar dress, you guys. I'm going to win an Oscar. I don't care what no one says. And a Grammy, because I do write songs. I'm a songwriter, and I do know how to sing, and I cannot wait to get better at singing and better at songwriting. I'm going to get my Grammy. I'm going to get my Grammy for my song that I wrote for my business that I'm working on right now. And I won't say it right now, but it's a beautiful song. It's almost done, so I love it. And I also want to design my own dress for the Grammys or the Oscars. Look at this dress. I love it. Own style. Look at this. This is my favorite one. I love this. And I love this one too, but this is my favorite. But I love them all three. Ooh, we're on to the next page, and it's a shoe. Comment down below if you love shoes or high heels. I used to be obsessed with high heels and shoes. I used to buy shoes from Payless Shoe Shorts. That's what it's called back in the day. I love that store. I wish we never went out of business, but I love those shoes. And I used to buy shoes all the time. And I love Carnival, the shoe place. Good, cute shoes. And I love this. This is so cute. Go listen, you guys. And also, I love handbags. And if you're a snob, you're going to say handbags. If you're not going to say handbags, you're going to say purse. But if you're bougie and a snob, you're going to say handbags. Which one do you like the most? This one or this one? I like the top one more, but they both look great. And then this is a t-shirt right here, or a dress shirt. And guess what you can do? What? Make your own labels, your own designer labels, which I already got a label I can put right here, my own logo. So it's going to be cute. And then we have some more questions for you, creative people. What is the name of your new clothing line or fashion brand? Would you guys do that? Fill in the blanks. Complete the podcast interview of you, a famous fashion icon. I am a fashion icon. The clothes I used to wear used to be the bomb. I don't know what I would do. My fashion line, just makeup, just clothing. I don't know. It'd be something fun. Probably a craft line first. Ooh, beautiful flowers right here. I love flowers and plant life. And look at this. Let your creativity bloom, which I am, you guys. So if you comment down below if you say purse or do you say handbag. I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful to anybody who say handbag or say a purse, but I'm just saying most people who got money say handbag. So that's what I was saying earlier. So I hope you don't get offended by that, but that's what I was trying to say. But look at my cute girl right here. She's so cute. Look at her face. I love her outfit. I'm going to a party too, girl. This is beautiful. And I also like this canvas right here. You can draw what you want on here. Do a billboard. It says, just create your own eye-catching billboard that promotes your personal style. So what is your personal style? Comment down below what's your personal style. My personal style is I love crafting, scrapbooking art. I also love the color red. I love every shade of red. I love flowers, roses. I love tulips. Those are my favorite thing. And I love beautiful things. And I love looking good in the beautiful things. So that's what I say. And this is my dress for the Grammys. I'm going to wear this to the Grammys. You guys know I said that earlier. But I love this dress. It's a party dress. And yay. The right dress can turn a moment into a memory, which is true. I had some beautiful iconic dresses back today when I went to parties and weddings. And I was like, woo, I was the bomb. I look good. I look sassy. I look wonderful. And I can't wait to go back to wearing dresses again because I love wearing dresses and skirts. I love looking cute. So the cute days have gone away, but I'm going to bring her back. Dee Dee's fashion girl she's coming back. I'm not playing. Look at this cute like a kimono. I love this right here. This is drawn very good. I love it. And let's move on to another survey or a questionnaire. Recycle, repair, and reimagine. And those are the questions you can answer when you get this book. There's some fun ones. And then let's move on to the sunglasses. Because I love me some sunglasses. Because I buy most of my sunglasses now from Five Below. They have some really cute ones. I have 13 to 14 sunglasses from Five Below. And I also bought some from Dollar Tree. Were really good back in the day. So don't knock on Five Below and Dollar Tree. I can't go to Ray-Ban. They're like $500, $600, $1,000 glasses. I will break those in 5 minutes. And love this drawing right here. So cute, right? Let's move on to another sassy but classy girl. She's like, ooh, I got attitude. I know, girl. I know the attitude. I know the sassy attitude. I'm with you. I love the face. She's like, what y'all want? What y'all want to do? I'm a crafter. I am a model. So cute. I love the dress. So, yay. Let's move on to the shoes. Who loves shoes, you guys? Comment down below if you love you good high heel shoes. I haven't bought high heel shoes in a long time. Haven't worn them in a long time. Life is too short for boring shoes, which is true. What is your favorite one? What is your favorite? My favorite one of all these shoes is probably the one at the bottom. They look like roses on it. But the one at top looks so beautiful. It looks like lace. But I like them all. Beautiful shoes, right? Cinderella. Oh, this girl, she's so cute and sassy. Look at the outfit. I love the outfit. So cute. Excuse me. Look at that face. That facial expression just drew me in. Love how simple this looks, how beautiful it looks, how elegant it looks. The most iconic style is your own, you guys, is you being you, which is true. I love being me. For a while, I didn't like myself, but I love this book. Thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, that's the end. Good. We're done with the big old-fashioned coloring book. It looks wonderful, right, you guys? And this is the back of the cover in case you want to see it. Love it. And calling all fashion designers, but I'm calling all crafters. Love it. This is so cute. Thank you so much, you guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video. On this crafting, art, and color book journey, please do not forget to subscribe down there. Click, click, click. Please click up there for notifications. Click, click, click. And come back for more videos on my channel if you like these videos. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the loyal craft artists who keep coming back to my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please do not unsubscribe to my channel. I love it so much. I'm still working on a lot of things. Hope this channel get better. So thank you so much. I'm working on thumbnails and all kinds of fun things for you guys. So have a great day and keep crafting no matter what.